So if you love glitchy textures, evolving ambience, and experimental sounds, these 11 free plugins might be something you might want to check out. So let's take a look at these. So first up is Aphemere, a glitchy percussion synthesizer. A lot of cool, crazy sounds you can get with this. Very glitchy, obviously. Probably one of my favorite ones in this package deal here. And then we have Amalgam, Sound Design Playground, as they call it. A multi-effect VST audio unit plugin designed to streamline effects changes with built-in parameter sequencers and extensive randomization options. And by the way, these are all VST and audio units, and there'll be links down below for these. And then we have Litote, I think that's how you pronounce it, a granular effects plugin, turn any signal into atmospheric soundscapes. And then Lancinus, again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing these right, a drone synthesizer plugin generating continuous tones using active synthesis. And then we have Gorgon, an ultra violent distortion plugin, as they call it. Great for drums, synths, bass, and just sound design in general. Interstice is a dual band delay plugin specializing in uncommon tones. Incipit is a creative delay toolbox, a triple pitch shifting delay plugin with an extensive modulation section. And Corel is a compact distortion plugin combining feedback and audio rate modulation to generate aggressive tones. And then we have Antagon, a glitchy dual delay, a sound manipulating plugin based on 2 modular delay lines. Breath, a random percussion synthesizer. You can morph between 2 different sounds, hit the random button, create new sounds. And then finally, Regressive, a compact effect plugin to turn signals into digital chaos, as they call it here. I did some previous demos on some of these plugins you could check out, or just go right to their page and check them out. They're free, or pay what you want, so you might as well just check them out. No need to go into a full-length video here. Let me know if you have any questions. That is all for now. I'll talk to you soon.